What's up, guys? BlizzarDzz here. Welcome to this video. This is my first video, obviously. Yeah, I'm not in my gaming room because I just didn't feel like doing it. And here's my best friend. You would do that too, right? Anyways, yeah. So if you watch this video, subscribe because I promise you will not regret it. Unless you're just like a full-out hater, but yeah. So anyways, guys, oh my gosh, it's BlizzarDzz here. I can't wait to start the videos. It's gonna be Black Ops 2, all Call of Duty, Minecraft probably. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Peace. Tell your friends. I'm out. If this video won't end. Why won't it end, bro? I don't know. Wow. Peace. 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 Why won't this video end? What's up with your iPod?
It's not mine.
Yes, it is.
That's not yours.
Oh. Peace. What a fail. Okay. It's an iPod. It looks like a triple rainbow. Oh my gosh, a double rainbow. Oh my gosh, a double swap whopper triple rainbow.